to my channel guys, and welcome back to another episode of Using with Goldie. Guys, in today's episode I'm going to talk about some of the department you can start your career from. Yes guys, because a lot of people are asking me, sir, which is the best department I should start my career from, or I can work on a cruise ship. So my understanding, these all departments which I'm going to tell you in this video are very good to start your career and even grow in this department, and especially for girls. A lot of girls are working in this department. So guys, please watch this video till the end, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon, because whenever I'm going to upload a video, you will get a notification. So guys, I don't want to waste more time. I want to begin with this video. So what I say, let's start this video. It's awesome. Number 10, the security department. Guys, I have already made a video on a security department. This is the video. Please click on the link below in the description box. You will get all the information. But it is a very good department to work on a cruise ship. But on a port day, yes, it can be challenging, it can be tiring, it can be difficult. But on a sea day, it is a Christmas, a Diwali, whatever you want to say, because they only work for 2-3 hours if it is a sea day. But on a port day, yes, it is difficult, but it's a fun department to work. Number 9, and number 9 we have shore excursion. Now, in simple way, if I define this name, is the travel agent on a cruise ship. All you have to do, coordinate with the passenger, book a tour for them, arrange a bus and all the other stuff. Don't worry, you won't be alone. There will be a huge team working with you. But it's a very fun department to work. But at the same time, it is a hard job also, because taking care of 2,000-3,000 passengers at the same time, it can be challenging. But it's fun, believe me. Number 8, and number 8 we have the pool department. You can actually work as a lifeguard. Your job profile would be, when passengers are swimming in swimming pool on a cruise ship, all you have to do is stand and keep an eye on them that they don't drown. So this is the only job you do on a cruise ship if you work as a lifeguard. Believe me, it is a very interesting. You always on an open deck enjoying with the passenger children's. It is a very fun job. Number 7 is the my department. My department means I am working in this department currently, and the department name is the gift shop as a sales executive. Girls, if you really want to go on a cruise ship, this is the very good department. You can apply. There are hard works, no doubt. We have to lift lots of boxes, and there are alcohol boxes which is very difficult. We have to stand and all that. But compared to other department like F&B and housekeeping, 100 times better you can work in this department. Number 6, and the number 6 is the casino department. I've already made a video on a casino department. If you want to know more information about this, please watch this video. And it's very difficult to get into a casino department, because in India casinos are not very common, not very famous, but still you can get an experience. I think in Goa we have casinos. You can go there, take experience and apply in this department, and it is a very, very, very nice department to work. Number 5 is the spa department. Now, I have already made a video on spa department. Spa department has many sub departments. This is the department you can work as a spa, nail technician, beauty specialist, hair specialist, all this, and lot of girls working in this department. And even the tips are very good. You can earn up to $1,000 to $2,000 easily any given month. So number 4, and this department is one of my favorite department. In fact, even I really want to work in this department, and the department name is the youth department. The job profile, you know, taking care of our children, playing with them, etc, etc, and it's all about enjoyment. So I really want to work in this department if I leave my current department. Number 3, the HR department. Yes guys, this department is not very huge, but there is a lot of potential, and the work is really very nice. Basically it's a office work, and a lot of girls can apply for this position, the HR department. Number 2, purser's desk. Now, this department is also very fascinated, and a lot of girls are working in this department. The job profile would be talking to the passenger, resolving the queries and all that. Similar as the guest services, but not behind the desk, front of the desk. Number 1, guest services. In simple term, front desk. If you've been to any 5-star hotel, you know what I'm talking about. When you enter to the 5-star hotel, what you see, the first thing, yes, the front desk where the receptionist is standing and answering your query. Yes, it's the same department, the same work which you're going to do on a cruise ship also. So the name of this department is guest services. So guys, this was a small video about the different department you can start your career on a cruise ship, which I believe it's a fun department where you come face to face the passenger and you learn more about the life on a cruise ship. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't, please hit the dislike button, but please do something so I can come up with more beautiful video and inform you about the cruise ship life. So bye from Cruising with Goldie.